Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing 1/2 to 1 cup of white or brown rice. I recommend white for gentler fermentation. Rinse it well under cool running water until the water clears to remove dust and excess starch. Once done, transfer the rice to a clean bowl and pour in 1 to 2 cups of filtered or bottled water so grains are submerged. Stir briefly to loosen surface starch. This step hydrates rice and releases the beneficial compounds you want for your face. Once the rice soaks, agitate it gently with clean hands or a spoon to help release nutrients like amino acids and vitamins. This is the how and why behind rice water's benefits. For instant use, soak 10 to 15 minutes. For a slightly more potent, fermented version, leave 24 to 48 hours at room temperature. After soaking, strain the liquid into a sterilized jar using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Make sure to discard the grains or cook them. Don't apply them directly. You finish by cooling and storing the rice water properly. Refrigerate in a sealed jar and label with the date so you use it within 5 to 7 days. When applying, saturate a cotton pad or use a spray bottle and press gently into clean skin. Always perform a patch test on your inner arm first. If irritation or redness appears, stop immediately and rinse with water. Make sure to dilute the solution or try a shorter soak time, next batch to reduce strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.